Today, I'll be doing some borax crystals. This is a DIY project that anyone can do with adult supervision. All you'll need for this project is some sticks, heat-safe glass jar, pipe cleaners, thread, food coloring, and borax. So let's get to it. So the first thing you'll need to do is to put some water to boil. While that's setting, pick your pipe cleaners, grab 3 pipe cleaners, and joint them together like so. You have to shape it your desired way. Now I'm going to shape mine, but you can shape yours any way you want. This is how my mom did it. Make sure to leave a hoop for the dye can go through it. Here's my little hoop, and here's my mom's. Mine's is a little bigger, but it doesn't really matter. And you see mine's have the hoop. Make sure yours have a hoop. My mom has a hoop also. Now I'm going to put the thread through the little hoop. Here is my mom's. Make sure you leave the thread long enough to measure later. You need about this long thread, and you cut it. This is how it's supposed to be. So you open the jar. Make sure it doesn't touch anything and it's in the middle of the jar. Help for this part. For every 2 cups of water, it's half cup of borax. After you shake it, and the borax is dissolved, now you got to add the food coloring. Remember, the more food coloring, the darker the color will be. This is how it should look like. Remember to close your food. Dye, food coloring. Make sure you dip it in about twice so there wouldn't be any air bubbles. And make sure you cover it so the heat will stay in there longer. Now we're going to take out the rock, reheat the solution, add more borax, and put the rock back in there. I put it in there for about 2.5 minutes. Now you add 3 to 4 tablespoons of borax. 12 hours us waiting for the borax crystals to grow. I have here not just the one that we did together, but 2 more. So now I'm gonna open them and check them out. I'm gonna start with the pink one. I had to put tape because the string was coming out. Wow guys, look at that. This crystal is humongous. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do with the stick. There you go. Now, the black one. Mine, the color's kind of fading out. And then now the purple one. Mine's is bigger than the purple one. Oh my gosh, this is awesome! It's like a steak. Steak. The mine is wobbly. Yeah, this one is awesome. Look at the bottom. It's filled with crystals. It has like a whole bunch on the wall of the jar. They're all like that. Okay guys, let's get the diamonds ready. Okay guys, now I'm going to try to take out the excess without breaking the rock. Oh my. They look like glass, pieces of glass. Guys, just look at that. They're very shiny. I didn't know that this one, the black one, would turn out. I thought it was gonna be all black, but it's like fading a little on the outside, but the inside is all black. They turned out really big, and I'm really proud of them. And the purple one, it's kind of the same as the black. It's like fading a little, but it's more purple on the outside than the black. Okay guys, remember you can do this as an experiment, and also this would look very nice as a decoration to your house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below to let me know which one of these 3 is your favorite. See you next time. Bye!